Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be riding my hoverboard. I'm going to... Oh no, it's dead. So since it's dead, I'm going to be... I'm going to be...
Landlords can't make tenants pay rent up until...
Go play with my slime in the kitchen.
My rent's paid up. Months. Yeah.
There's my slime. This is my travel slime where I take it everywhere I go.
And that's taking full effect.
They left for fucking Key West last night.
Dude, I just seen that.
You did.
And that Kelsey and Cameron and the kids.
Kelsey goes there like 5 times a year.
Said she got a great deal, $800. Full fucking shit. No, you didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that house is nice.
They're there now? Well, they should
Probably
be.
the same house, but not the same house.
No, it's a different house, but she said, well, if we're gonna be quarantined, might as well do it in Florida.
So right now, I am just having so much fun playing with this slime, but we're going to try to make a slime gun